Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix a portable air conditioner if it is leaking the water and what usually causes this particular problem. So first of all, if your portable AC is leaking the water onto the floor, it is usually caused by a full drain tank and a blocked drain or the unit that is not sitting the level. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to turn off your air conditioner and you need to also unplug it. Afterwards, you need to locate the lower drain plug on the back of the unit and drain any of the collected water into the tray and through the drain hose. So once it is empty, you need to tighten the drain cap securely before turning the AC back on. Afterwards, you need to check the air conditioner whether it is standing on the flat on the level surface. If it is tilted, the water may not flow into the internal drain pan correctly, which can then lead to leaks. Now, you need to also inspect the drain hose and the drain hole for dirt, dust, and debris. If they are blocked too, you need to make sure that you clear any kind of obstructions so that the condensation can drain freely. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.